Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or enable the bookmarks on your Brave browser if you want them to display on the browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Brave and select the hamburger icon up at the top right. And you want to go down to where it says Bookmarks and List, and you want to select where it says Show Bookmarks, and then select Always. And that's what you have to do. And if you want to hide that, you can just right click on the bookmark bar, and then where it says show bookmarks, you can select never, and that's pretty much it. And that's pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.